Assalamu alaikum. Yes, friends. Actually, I've already given you lecture one. That lecture was related to the AutoCAD electrical introductory brochure. That what was the objective and what were the major points we will discover during this training session. So today, actually, I will explain you about the lecture 1A. So lecture 1A, that is related to the course outline. That right now, you can see this page on my system. So I will tell you that during this training session that what exactly we will cover this during this training course. So this is the course outline. So total lectures of this training course will be around 19 or maybe 20. So 20 lectures we will cover during this training session, and this is the complete training lecture to lecture details. For example, after finishing for the I will cover these topics in my next lecture, that is lecture number 2, that we will cover launching AutoCAD, title bar, menu bar, some basic options. In lecture 3 we will cover to start up the AutoCAD, how to create the drawings, what is A3 and A4 size, how to set the units, and what is the procedure to save, open and close the drawings. Then we will cover some aids and object selections, like how to do the zoom in AutoCAD, how to use the crossing and solid window, and what is the application of quick view layouts and drawings. And finally there is line, multi-line, polyline commands, modification, text. So we will cover that, how to do single line text, multi-line text. Then lecture 5 we will see rectangle, circle, polygon, copy, offset, array command. So even I will give you the detailed procedure, that what exactly the short key for this particular command, and from the menu bar how you can use. So both procedure I will detail. Then lecture C, there is draw command, arc, hash, gradient, modify, that what is scale, mirror text setting, then divide, point, break. So I think there is more than 250 commands I will cover during this session. And this is my promise to you, that you can't compare this training session with any of the individual or any of the institute that right now they are offering in anywhere, because I have covered all the basic advanced commands that I believe that nobody can offer during this little duration. So I will strongly recommend to watch all my videos from startup till finishing all the lectures, and in this way I will give you, I can predict, I can I mean you guys will have a lot of opportunities in the power sector, in the electrical field. So even if you are already working, so you will see the difference, that for example, if you are using a command to complete the task in, for example, in 5 minutes, and I will tell you some command that you can finish the same task in 1 minute or 2 minutes. So stay with me, and subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, please click on that button, and please share your comments, so that I will communicate, I will answer to your all the queries. So thank you very much. So see you for the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.